GM, everyone. Welcome back to another GC Crypto TV show. Oh my God, what a day to wake up, Craig. We're both Queenslanders, and for all our friends overseas, obviously our state won a pretty important sporting rivalry event last night. Absolutely epic. Probably the best sporting event nearly in the calendar year, I'm going to call it. But mate, the market, Craig, that is just epic to see. We're at literally nearly all-time highs. We did touch 112 earlier today on some exchanges. So new all-time high for BTC but altcoins and stuff are heating up, Craig. Memecoins are heating up. I mean, we spoke about this for months. And more recently, over the past few weeks, I literally was saying every show, I said, guys, altcoins look really good. I'm tweeting about it and all this sort of stuff. And now we're starting to see that leg kind of happen, Craig. So great to wake up to a green sea across the board, mate. How are you on this fine Thursday morning?
Good morning, Greeny. Gee, that was good. That was a pretty good intro, man. Jeez.
Oh,
that was good. Yeah, up Queensland. Queensland obviously got the win in the rugby. So that's like the Super Bowl for us, for the Americans watching. G'day, America. G'day, Australia, New Zealand, whoever else is with us. Konnichiwa. What else have I got? I don't really have many more hellos. But great to see Bitcoin enter.
Bonjour.
Yeah, arigato, way, mushy. What else have I got to say? So yeah, look, some great personal news. I got the Clippy badge by Shui.
Let's go.
High. Logan gives it to me the night or last night. But
let's go, bro. So you got it last night.
And then Bitcoin hit an new all-time high. So
that's so good.
So yeah, look, the Clippy badge obviously is a good omen. So keep giving me badges, guys, and Bitcoin might keep getting new all-time highs. But I actually didn't know Bitcoin hit an all-time high until Greeny just told me 2 seconds ago. I actually was more checking my Pengu bag, which I shouldn't have, but I did. And then I hear it hit a cheeky little all-time high, 112 something.
Yeah.
So, look, great to wake up to. I did notice the charts were all green, so I should have actually fucking checked Bitcoin. It's the first time, probably in months, that's not the first chart I checked. So maybe lessons in that, not to check the chart. But, bro, look, guys, I just want to go back to the war that was meant to dip everything. Hopefully everyone learned a lesson that so often war's bullish for the charts, even though we're not for the chart, for price action often. And by the dip, so that's 74,000. Hey, that screen of yours is going crazy. That $74,000 dip of Bitcoin that I copped was fucking great. So I'm happy. In saying that, I can't really celebrate too much, bro. We only breed all time high. Fuck, what a grand! So yeah, look, but it's still a great day. It's great to see Bitcoin tapping those levels. I feel the more taps those levels, it should break soon. We can chat a little bit about whether we think it's go time now. Do we need a little pullback to get a bit more juice, or have we waited long enough to break through? And also GM, everyone, GM Dylan, thanks for pulling up, brother. What are your thoughts, Greeny, just on Bitcoin? I guess that's the topic.
Yeah, look, I was chatting to two prominent traders in GTG this morning who trade low timeframes very consistently, and my voice is going to go. And they're kind of thinking that, I mean, there's 3 ways to trade it. There's like prominent traders on the timeline who I follow as well. Very similar setup, right? It's an all-time high trade. So the key level right now is the previous all-time high hit about 112-ish or just below. So actually, this chart already has it. Here we go. So what I'm looking at here is 3 kind of course of action, right? Where we either break through here and we kind of break up here. We then consolidate here, and then we go for that next leg up. That would kind of be the most bullish move. The second sort of play is that we reject from here and we come back down and we retest kind of liquidity down here, okay? I mean, we've even got a bit of an FVG there as well, I suppose you could call it. So that would probably be the second scenario, a shallow pullback back towards here. Worst case scenario, not even that it's a worst case, we pull back and tag the liquidity back down at 98 to this region down here. So like all 3 are at play until we see what price action does. Like we could come all the way back down, tag the bottom of the range. So if I have a look at momentum, which is something that I like to use as well, all momentum on high time frames is at over the extension. So in other words, it's pumping, it's pumped a lot, it's quite overextended, it's overbought. We might be above the pivots on a few of them, but ultimately when you're up in this sort of region, it is more of a cautious sort of, okay, do expect maybe a shallow pullback. Or if we do go high, it probably isn't going to be a big impulsive move to like 130K. It'll be like a pump to 115K, maybe 120K, and then a retracement back. So if I have a look at the daily, we're overextended. Okay, we're at the 78th percentile. The 3-day also starting to get up towards the top. 5-day is very much at the 83 percentile above the pivot though. And the weekly is also at the 86th percentile. And the monthly is also in the 79 percentile. But we are above the pivot. So that does show me that at least we could potentially see a little bit more of a move up from here if we do see it. Alternatively, if we get a bit more of a retest, so if we do come down to lower timeframes, okay, it was a really nice sort of, I mean, you could have shorted, which a few boys in GTG did, shorted that high from the previous high. And you would have had a really nice retest of the 382 fib. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just keeping an eye on this. Like if we have a look here, so there's your short, basically from the high to the swing low there. I mean, you could take it from that low as well, and it did hit this 382. So multiple ways to make money in this market, and then that's how some of those low time frame traders trade. They take the high time frame areas, and then they're looking for confluence on low time frames, and that's a really nice short. Say you did that on really nice leverage. It's a 1% move, so that's huge, and that's a 1% move in the course of an hour, so that's pretty good for BTC. So yeah, I don't know, Craig. For now, I'm just staying patient. Like there's no reason for me to personally probably short here. There's no point for me trying to capture a potential move, right, of like a move back down to here to then like when we get that next sort of leg up, like this short here is just not worth me the 4%. That's just not worth it when I'm macro bullish, and I've been saying that for a long time. So I'm in, I think I'm in about 20 longs right now, and they're all in profit except for one, maybe. Let's have a look. Yeah, brilliant. Except for Flog the Dirty Dog, which is at -1%. So it hasn't quite moved where I wanted it to go. But pretty much, yeah, I'm in about 15 to 20 longs at the moment. And yeah, and they're all pretty much altcoin / meme coins. So I'm staying patient, and hopefully this leg up will be enough opportunity for me to make like 20 to 30 grand on this leverage account is the goal for this leg. My goal was to zoom out, stay patient, which you always hear me preach about, and just be happy with the setups that we had at the time, and just ignore the chop that we're going to experience, ignore the low time frame range of like, say it could be 5 to 10% on some of these memes, but just zoom out, make sure your leverage is low enough, make sure your stop loss is low enough that you can cover that, and then you'll wake up in a week or two, in a month or two, and this portfolio could be worth $50,000, right? So that's a lot of people need to sometimes step it back and understand that accruing wealth does take time. It's not just going to happen overnight. It's not going to be a random meme coin that you go absolutely nuts on. Sometimes you get some bangers, but even then, that's luck a lot of the time. It's a process. It's a trading plan. And right now, I'm very bullish, and I maintain very bullish bias. I have only reasons to look for longs at this point of time.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. I'm the same. Although that would have been a nice little short, but I'm like you. I actually had a message from a mate last night who longed ETH and then shorted it. So he longed it, got a win, shorted it last night, and then got fucking wrecked because it pulled back slightly and then gigacent. So yeah, it's quite interesting. This is the same mate that shorted Bitcoin last week and got wrecked.
Yeah, unless you're a highly skilled trader. Craig, you shouldn't be shorting unless you're on low time frames.
I totally agree, and I've said that to him. I also said, man, shorting in a bull market is trickier than other times, right? So just unpredictable moves can happen, like you see, and you just said, Greeny, being macro bullish just means they're him playing on those higher time frames. It just gets real slippery, especially if you're not. He's definitely I would put more on the noob side. So he's learning lessons. Probably not the best time to be shorting. Although if you're skilled, absolutely, I am not. So I'm not going to. Yeah. Longs though, I'd prefer to do just because my macro outlook is bullish. Yeah, and that's just the way I kind of got taught with leverage trading. Was always zoom out first and then start from there. So yeah. I think it's important to keep those lessons in mind. Yeah. But now, great day. Look, ETH people, are ETH happy on the timeline? Are ETH people saying the flip means?
Yeah, I'm seeing a bit of love for ETH recently. Like some old accounts and stuff are definitely starting to talk about. So that's good to see. I mean, for me, like I think like whilst we talk about longs and stuff, I'm also very spot heavy. I probably like in my portfolio, 20% of my spot bag is in cash in case we do see a bit more of a pullback. And that's, I did say to Craig before, I might actually buy some more ETH and send it to Abstract again, just to get back up to like maybe $20,000 in Abstract. But for me right now, it's my spot portfolio is looking really good. Very happy with those positions as well. Like I actually put a tweet out recently about those positions because again, like at the end of the day, it's not like it's like I'm not going to move markets because they're just ridiculously large. But let me try and find that tweet. But majority of those positions are now very much in green, and I think you just got to be patient, man. Like a lot of people like. I just think these sort of positions take time to play out. And I mean, like current long-term holds, BTC hype. And by long-term, just to clarify, it's about 6 to 12 months. It's what I mean long-term for me right now, okay? Not years, okay? But yeah, like BTC's up. Hype looks very good at the moment. ETH and Sol mainly on-chain. Pengu looks really good. We'll look at that chart in a minute. Mog, SPX, these two are just absolutely killing it, Craig. I'm so grateful. You know what? I'm actually really grateful I decided to cut Pepe and to dabble more into Mog and SPX specifically. I just feel like the upside with them is more superior compared to Pepe, and we'll talk about that shortly. Then AVAX is obviously the slow one. I really just want to see a really impulsive candle with AVAX. I just want to see it. I know a lot of people want to see it. I hope it comes.
I hope you get it, man, because that is the hold of a believer. So that's great to see, Greeny.
Yeah. So that's the spot one. Like we are starting to get a Craig. We're about to get one. Here we go. So there's AVAX, boys. There's AVAX. A lot of people called me out and said, "Oh, Greeny, I don't know about that. Here it comes, baby. Let's go." Anyways, they're the spot backs. And then what else do I have here? Doge, Sui, Farcoin, Bonk. I did buy a little bit of Bonk, not a lot because it had already broken out 60%. So I was like, I'll just dabble a little bit here as kind of a hedge towards pumped off fun. And then I still have cash, as I said. Now, I did a portfolio check this morning, actually. I'm happy where I am after the scam, after paying a lot of shit ton of tax over the past couple of weeks or month or so. It's good. I really hope if I can make I'm not going to talk numbers, but like if I can 2 to 3x my portfolio size now in the coming 6 to 12 months, I will be ecstatic. I will be so happy with that. Because I really think this is the last opportunity we'll get probably for the next couple of years. It'll go back into reaccumulation phases. The emphasis will be on BTC and probably leverage there because then you can always trade sort of intraday markets. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think of this portfolio before we do go look at the charts specifically?
I think it's strong, man. Yeah, I think that's a well-structured portfolio. It's got some solids. It's got a few mid-range. I just look at risk with each one. Usually, and I think those are great. You've got some. I think you've got some that are slightly rougher, and then some that are really strong. And when I say rough, they're not that rough. I think that's great. And BTC being at the top is probably ideal. I think Sol and ETH and Hype being top 3 ideal. Pingu being top 5 is probably good. Mog being top 5 is probably good. Doge being in there, I think is great. I like all of those coins. If I had never any money supply, those would probably all be in my in my wallet. Unfortunately, I don't. So I've also you got to be selective. So I've probably got, I've probably got 6 maybe. But yeah, I think those are great. Pingu buy notifications, Colin's loving. I think that's strong, bro. I think you should come out of the next year fairly well with those.
Yeah, I hope so. I really do.
Even if only you got 11 extra coins in there, say 7 come off?
Yeah.
Pretty well. 8 if you're fucking real lucky. Man, even 7 coming off really well, you'll be pretty stoked, bro. So that's a good little lineup, I think. And
I think that's key. And I think you got to diversify. And I have exposure on Abstract. I have exposure on what else? I have exposure on a bit of base on a few. I do own Rect, not a lot of Rect token, but I own a little bit of Rect. Plus, obviously, I have $26,000 in NFTs as well. Oh, dude, I forgot to track another wallet. So no, maybe I do have more money. I didn't even think about that. It's
what a great day.
You forget where all your things are, man. It's so hard to keep track of. I forgot. I own a Yappy Barra. I forgot about that. Yeah. I probably do have a little bit more money than I did. So that's good to know. But yeah, for me right now, it's It's a good time. I think I still have exposure on Abstract. I still have exposure on a few other potential plays as well. I still own $30,000 nearly of NFTs. So it's like, it's not like I'm not exposed to this market. And sometimes like coins are one thing. It's just like also having exposure to other aspects of the market is key as well, Craig.
Yeah, I agree. I'm pretty pumped. What are actually, maybe I won't jump to NFTs just yet. I was just going to get greedy and say, what are the big pudgies? Are they moving? But I won't go into that just yet. Sorry, I got distracted by some scantily clad woman on Twitter holding a penguin. Yeah, I don't know what she's doing. I don't know if it's marketing or what, but it worked. And it was distracting me. I did have someone, Greeny, if you want to check out Fartcoin just real quickly. A guy was asking about Fart, and I know you're in it, so might as well promote it.
Yeah, still consolidating here, holding the whole range 618. So that's good. You want to see it probably hold this, and then it's obviously not performing as well because it outperformed everything previously. Like that's the key, right? Understanding when to put your foot down, when to take your foot off and rotate to something that hasn't had their foot down. Like those are the sort of trends that you need to understand. But no, this looks really good. As I said, I own a bit of spot Filecoin. I do like this moving forward. I think for Solana memes right now, it's what's going to happen with Pumped Off Fund. It's like what's going to happen with that pre-sale, what's going to happen with the post-launch. I generally think because the market's pushing up, because we look really nice here, I think it's probably going to be quite nice. Like I do think it's going to be okay for the market. Hopefully it's a liquidity inducing event, not a liquidity sapping event. If it's the second part of that, then I still think Solana memes, it's better to be maybe focused on the newer trending stuff as well. And I noticed that too, that like I still have exposure to Fartcoin. Pengu is a hard one. Do you classify that as a Solana meme? Maybe not. Maybe you do. Fork, I don't have spot, but I'm in a long as well. And same with Popcat, I'm in a long as well. And Whiff, I'm in a long as well. And they're up 10%, whereas Fartcoin's at 3%. So it's understanding how it flows. And I do think this next move will be nice, but this is a broadening, expanding wedge here. So we'll keep an eye on how long it rejects from this level once again. But yeah, I mean, like comparing it to Pengu, like, Pengu, obviously, impulsive move, consolidation, impulsive move, and now we're maybe facing our kind of second leg of consolidation potentially. So keep an eye on it. I still think this can head back towards at least probably 22 cents in the short term. Probably a big area up here to keep an eye on. But yeah, I mean, Craig, this looks pretty good, mate. You said you bought when? At 1.4 mark, at 1.4.
Yeah,
so
I bought yesterday, 1.4 something.
Yeah.
In saying that, I'm up for now, but I am of the understanding of what you said before, that this may actually go lower. It could go lower still. So my entry last night wasn't so much me trying to call a bottom, if people are wondering that. It's more just me liking the setup on the time frame and just deciding I think this goes much higher. I'm the same as you. I think 0.022 is a good level. So what's that? That's about a 50% move still left in it for me. I want to get to tier 2 as well for Abstract. I'm almost there. So a couple of reasons why I'm buying. I just thought the setup looked good. So I was just like, I'm prepared to buy here, even if it does go a bit lower. If it goes low, because I actually need more anyway. And time's kind of running out for me as well with Abstract Q4. So I was like, I need to buy this. So I can't be like, let me wait another month and buy the low because I need tier 2 now. So in saying that, but I'm trying to, when I put the post up last night, I'm also trying not to wreck people. So I actually do, even if you took Abstract away from it, I think this chart's just, it's
strong, right? It is strong. Like that's the point. So I think we look really good here. I do like it a lot. I think.
Quick question, Greeny, I had as well, while we're on the topic of Pump Fun. Do we need to be streaming there, you and me?
I've thought about it. I've thought about it a lot, but no, I don't. Easy has a really good take, and I kind of agree with his take. I personally am not really that keen on having a token associated to my stream or my performance, right? You have to have a token to stream on the platform.
Okay.
And majority of people.
What's Easy's thesis on why that wouldn't be a good thing? Could say we went there and the coin went well because we streamed well. Like, what's the?
No, I know, but it's like associated to your reputation, right? And what we've noticed all cycle, Craig, is meme coins go to zero, mate. So, like, I mean, even if you come and have a look at his, and he's obviously the most prominent streamer, the most viral guy. Even his, is it SY or ZY?
For who, sorry, Greeny?
Gainsy, the number one streamer.
Oh, good question. Is it a Z? Ooh, I'll look, sorry.
Does anyone have his
A
CA?
Z. GAINZY222. Is that him?
Probably, yeah.
304,000 followers.
Yeah. Has he got, what's the Dex Screener CA for his token?
Is this fucking him? That's
no, it must be. Yeah, here we go. Here it is. Yeah,
I found it. Yeah.
So if you have a look at this, Craig, this guy is the biggest, and his is only at 3.8 million. So no, I don't want to ever tie my reputation to a platform. Now I do know that they reached out to certain individuals to stream on there, obviously Erasmus and whatnot as well. I'm happy to go down the normal route of trying to, obviously, we stream obviously on X, we stream on Abstract, we stream on YouTube. Maybe I was actually, let's talk about this topic, because I put a tweet out the other day too about this, Craig. Do you think it's like, it's a fine balance of trying to have your stream across multiple platforms? So right now, it's Twitter, YouTube, a little bit on Twitch, and Abstract. So that's 4 platforms, and then obviously across both of our accounts. Do you think it's a better strategy to stream only on, say, like 2 platforms like YouTube and Twitch and drive more viewers there rather than streaming onto Twitter? I have my thoughts, but what do you think? What do you think's like the sort of play for, I suppose not even just for us, but like for crypto creators maybe in general? What do you reckon?
So you're asking whether you should dial in on one platform, which
one or two, yeah, 1 or 2 platforms, yeah,
versus diversification.
Yeah.
See, I'm not expert in this field. I can argue both.
Yeah, same.
I think I can argue more strongly though diversification and hitting all areas easier though.
Yeah.
Man, I'm torn though, because I don't mind hyper focusing either.
Yeah.
I think a couple. Fuck, I don't know, man. It's a good question. I haven't decided on it. I think it's risky though to go all in on one.
Same.
But if you went, do you mean you should X, YouTube, and one other?
So my thoughts are, right, it's like X is free. Yeah. YouTube is free. However, with X, you get the engagement after the fact. You get clips, obviously, but also the following. It like followers maybe is indirectly associated to growing a brand over time. Whereas if you stream on YouTube or Twitch, you get ad revenue. Rarely do you get YouTube members. That's why you would probably choose Kick or Twitch to stream on, because then you do get, say, subscriptions or whatever, like donations and stuff as well. So it's like, but like the minority of people aren't probably going to go over to Twitch. They're probably all like Kick, like they probably nearly prefer just to watch on YouTube. So on YouTube or Twitter. So it's a fine line. It's actually like, oh shit, like should I be streaming specifically on one platform? Like I remember, I think I've mentioned this before, like Memecoins have been hitting up again, and I used to run my own Memecoin streaming in like an evening. I probably won't do it again because my wife's home at that time, but I was streaming at like 7 to 9 o'clock at night a couple of times a week, and I was getting 150 viewers like on Twitch alone. And so like that in itself is like a way to kind of grow a brand on a different platform as well. But because it's a streaming platform, people naturally go to that platform. I don't know, Craig. It's an interesting topic that one will be having a conversation for a while, I imagine.
How is Easy's pushing Kick, isn't he?
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. I mean,
how's he finding it?
I don't know if he streams on X at the same time. I'd have to double check, but
I don't think so.
He was, and then I think he was doing YouTube and X, and then I think he's now going to Kick because he gets subs or he gets like paid revenue, which is like, as a creator, it makes sense, right? It's like I can put out all this free content, all this free time onto Twitter. Sure, I might get a bit of a following, whatnot, but at the same time, I'm also like, well, if I did the same content on Twitch and people actually go to Twitch to stream and to watch streams, like maybe that is what I should be doing. I don't know. It's an interesting point of view.
Yeah, I probably think it's worth delving deeper into Twitch.
Maybe we should, for a week, we should try not streaming on X.
Yeah, wow.
Because then it forces people to go to one of the other platforms, right? If they want to catch the show. What do we think, chat? Like, let me know. I know Tom's mentioned here. I agree with you too. To be honest, for me, going to YouTube to watch you mates gives me a break from X. Love as I watch on X. Yeah. Lol as I'm watching on X. Yeah. So it's really interesting. I mean, the big thing about Twitter as well is that it doesn't really correlate to concurrent viewers. It might only really give you full viewership of the whole stream, whereas the other platforms, you clearly know how many sort of concurrent viewers you have at that period of time. So yeah, it's an interesting one, Craig. I'm genuinely curious. Like my YouTube streams throughout these over the period of time generally sit between 5 and 25 viewers. Which, I mean, YouTube's hard to stream on personally. Like usually people do go to Kick or to Twitch to watch people stream directly. I know it's just it's an interesting conversation to have, I think, as the world kind of moves into streaming. So yeah, I don't know, Craig. What do you reckon?
Yeah, maybe we should start doing a solo Kick stream or something like that and test it out. That's probably the best way to do it, I think. Let's do some testing. So let's do some testing and see what the results are.
The results are, yeah. But back to the charts. Have you been dabbling in the meme coins?
Not yet. I had a little look-see, but there's nothing that really caught my eye, man. Yeah. And then yesterday, I was fucking busy, so I couldn't yesterday. I had heaps of shit that I do today as well.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, no, I haven't. No, I haven't. I saw you guys got some wins.
Yeah. Yeah. So
how'd you go?
Yeah, I've been cooking. I'm actually back in Lucky Coin. It's the only one I'm currently holding in the, it bounced off at 618. So, I've been making a bit of money. I'm up, about 25 SOL in the past week or so. I have lost a little bit over the past couple of days. But yeah, I think it's quite hot at the moment. I really do think it's quite hot, which is good.
So I'm just replying to Banya. He's got a mint coming up on Abstract or something.
Well, let's talk about Abstract, Craig, because I did buy some more meme coins on Abstract this morning. If we come and have a look, actually, let's have a look. So Abster is still consolidating here.
Yeah, I'm watching that at the moment. That's what I'm waiting for an entry on that bad boy.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's only come back to its 382. So looks like it. Yeah, I mean, it's bounced from here. We obviously got a bounce from the 618 more recently, 3 weeks ago now. Wow, time flies. But this looks pretty good for maybe a move soon. We'll keep an eye. It's high-low here, so keep an eye on that, whether it does hold this level. If not, 12 million, probably not a bad area for me to probably dabble a little bit. Newt, I really like the Newt chart here, Craig, as well. This is one that I do like to trade, so I like this chart a lot. It's kind of consolidated. Impulsive move up. It's consolidating again, so I'm not really interested in it at this point in time. Retspot also consolidating again back after breakout, so keep an eye on that one as well. That's pretty much it. Like we're starting to see some other runners, like just some random. Like I mean, a runner 115k, but this is why I trade still on Solana. Like they just go way higher. Guna, nice breakout, but bit of a pullback again. Still happy in this trade. It takes a longer time on Abstract for these memes to play out, Craig. So happy hodling. RWA, there we go, baby. I was waiting for that big pump. So there it comes.
Ooh, shucks.
Big breakout here for RWA, which is good. I do still own that, I think. I should check. But mate, there's did you see there's a new mint or badge or something, Cosmo badge? Is that to do with the K-pop stuff or not?
I did see that. I think it is. So I haven't I went to this just before on stream before the stream, but I had to connect to side and then I was like, fuck, what's this shit? So I hadn't gone back yet, but I need to go because obviously I'm gonna have to get the badge, Greeny, as you know. Provided it doesn't cost me too much money. But yeah, I will go and do it. You're thinking the same?
Yeah, I'll do it now. I might even do it now. How do I have to scan with my mobile? Hectic.
Well, yeah, the tech, eh? What's this? Reserve stage.
All right, here we go. I'm doing it now. I don't really want to, I want to transact on my, it's not letting me scan. What? Okay, hold on. Let's try this again. So if you come to the main page, where is it? Discover. Up the top, it says mint now. You click on it. And then it takes you to this website. If it wants me to mint on my phone, that's a limitation. So it says continue with, log in with Abstract. Okay, I didn't see that bit before.
Yeah, do that one.
I didn't see that bit before.
Where is it? Abstract.
I'm such a bot, bro. Such a bot. Here I was trying to do it on my phone, being like, "There's no way this is the one option that they give you." Am I 14 years old? Yes. How do I click agree?
It's a $3.20. Is it this bad boy?
Is it, dude? I don't know if I can afford that.
Yeah, I'm a bit worried. Man, I can't get a good win on that sheep firing bloody gun thing, eh?
Oh, dude, I've been playing it all morning. I genuinely think that's a good XP earner at the moment.
Yeah.
What's this? Wait, what do I need to mint here to get the badge?
What's this Cosmo app doing? I didn't even watch what you were doing.
It means the Triple S Time Limited Edition. The Triple S Time Limited Edition. Oh, these are all Triple S. What?
Wow.
I don't get what this is, chat.
Sorry, I'm just minting my K-pop girlfriend.
Yeah. Wait, do I need to buy one of these or all of these?
Hang on, what's happening here?
Hold on, what's Eli done?
Why do I have to fucking... I'm 14 years old or older.
I'm just a bit confused about what I need to do here.
What are you stuck on? Oh, you're in.
He just did... Wait, what the hell? The object... He did the object Atom 2 Sohun one. What? Which one's that? Maybe it's this one. All right, I'll try to do one. Oh, they're over on the side. I see. Hold on, go back. Triple S. Yeah, you need the Triple S one, right? Okay, it's a bit weird that I'm minting an NFT with some random K-pop person on it. I feel a bit weird about that. Okay, yeah. So you just need to mint one of these. Top left and got it. Okay, Uncle. Yeah, so Uncle said you got it. Yeah, you just need to buy one of them. I did the abstract one. Which one's the abstract one? Oh, this one. Yeah, okay, cool.
You just, okay.
Thanks, chat. You guys are so good.
So what's double and what's the other one?
I don't know. Everyone said if you just do the abstract one, you'll get it. You'll get the badge.
All right, here we go. $3.29. Good value. Yeah, minting as well.
I mean, these are pretty big occurrences, Craig, for abstract as the consumer chain. Like, you love seeing things like this, the collabs and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't even looked who these artists are. Are they big or they're up and coming?
I don't know. I have no idea. Let's have a look. Did it go to my wallet? It's in my wallet. I got two. Why do I have two?
1 objects and 2 Como will be sent to your wallet.
I got two. Weird. All right. Now I can claim it. Let's go.
Yeah,
there we go. So that's my 22nd badge. Yeah, I think so. 2, 4. That's 4, 8, 12, 16, 22. Very nice. Very nice. Wait, I claimed it, didn't I? Did it work? Let's double check that it worked. Yeah, I mean, yeah, my accountant trying to understand why I have NFTs of K-pop stars. So true, bro.
That'll be good.
So true. Yeah, this week. No, okay, cool. I think it's a no-brainer to do those badges. Like, Moody Madness is dominating the leaderboard at the moment, Craig.
Is it in regards to transactions?
Yeah, no, into upvotes and stuff.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So what do I need to be doing? Playing heaps of Moody Madness? Is that?
I need to be playing Moonsheep Cannon and Moody Madness at this stage, I reckon.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I've been playing a little bit of that Moonsheep Cannon, but my win rate's not great, man.
Maybe we should play some Moody Madness on stream, Craig. It's been a while since we streamed a game.
Jump on there.
Let's do that. All right, we minted the Cosmos. Let's go. Where's Moody Madness? There it is. All right, let's do that.
I'm the target market apparently for K-pop. Older gentlemen. Yeah, definitely.
I mean, that's actually a pretty accurate statement.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, lonely white Caucasian men, that have struck out with their own, and they're looking.
That's like when you go to Thailand, Craig. When you go to Thailand, yeah.
Yeah, I know, man. It's fucking pretty sad actually watching that happen.
It is sad. It is sad, man. It is sad. Hold on, guys. I've got so many tabs open. Let me just.
Yeah, same. How do I? Oh, it's that stream discover. I need to go to.
Should have so many of the same tabs open. I'm such a bot. Okay. Moody has an open edition cart maybe tomorrow. Not sure. I'd mint. I'd for you. Yeah. Well, I bought the what do you call it yesterday?
Game Pass.
Yeah.
I'm going in as well. Here we go. If anyone wants to play, I think we're gonna have a jam.
Yeah, let's go, Craig. I reckon we play.
I'll put it in the abstract stream.
How do I? Are you going to create a party, or do you want me? You do it. You do it.
All right. Yeah.
So do I click play, or what do I need to do? Do I need to click party? Yeah, I need to click party. Okay.
Mine's just loading. Hurry up. Oh, some rewards. Hello. Do you do this every day, Greeny? Do you go in and claim all your?
No, I really should. I really should.
I don't know if it gives me fuck all, but I do.
I'm pretty sure it would give you a bit, Craig.
Do you want me to create an event?
A party, yeah, party.
Oh, hang on. Party. Oh, hang on. Create. Max players.
Send me the code, mate. And then chat can get into. Yeah, I've been making money on the Moonsheep Cannon, I think.
Have you?
Yeah. I'm also where have you tried to place on the leaderboard, Craig, out of curiosity? Or have you not worried about
that? For Moody Madness?
Yeah. No, for the Moonsheep Cannon.
I am. What was the question, Greeny? Where am I placed?
No, Moody. No, not Moody. The Moonsheep Cannon. Have you been making money on there? Where are you on the leaderboard?
No, I haven't been making money. I'm about, I think, number 2,000 on there.
Yeah, okay.
I'd probably down 20%, maybe.
Really? I genuinely think I'm up.
Yeah. I sent you the code. Did you get it?
Yep. I'm in.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, Mitch is in. Anyone else? Chat, feel free to join. We'll give it a couple of minutes and then Craig will start it.
All right. I'll put the code in.
The guy who was number 1 on the leaderboard got nearly 200,000 XP in the past week.
How much? 200,000?
Yeah. He spent a lot of money, like over 100 ETH, I'm pretty sure.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay,
but he got it back, I'm pretty sure. I think he's like break even. Pretty sure he's quite break even.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, we're filling up. We've got 4 in there. We've got Mitch. What's up, Mitch? We've got Nixon, both abstract connoisseurs. Anyone else want to jump in? I did put the code. The code is AU67930.
Yeah, I reckon give it another minute, and if not, we'll kick off.
I'll put the code in there if I can.
So Moonsheep Cannon, I'm currently 850th on their leaderboard.
Oh yeah, wow. Yeah, I'm only 2,000. Yeah, you've been smashing it.
Yeah, just today.
Jeez, is that a new photo of bloody BitBoy Crypto?
Yeah, I don't know, bro.
Is that real?
Wait, Tom, with Jassim, Jassim has a cheat code for the sheep game. Got a ton of XP, bro. Can you send that to us? Like, what do you mean? Where's the tweet?
Yeah.
All right, Craig. I reckon we start in a minute.
Yeah. So
give it another 20 seconds.
Oh yeah, Rizuka's coming.
Oh, yeah. Bro, I got flagged.
You got what flagged?
Yeah, I got flagged on Moonsheep. Wait, where's Jassim's post? Jassim. How do you get no?
Right, the code is AU67930. Moody Madness. Jump on in, lads and ladies. Oh, for the game, you just have to buy the battle pass, which I think might be like, I actually don't know, man. Is it $5 Greeny or $10 or 20 even? But
yeah, less than $10, I think, from it.
Best way to bridge Ethereum from ETH to abstract, probably on the, what do you think, Greeny, on the abstract portal itself, and then just
Relay Link personally is the one I use. Relay Link.
Mm-hmm. Not actually a cheat code, but he has been playing like crazy. Okay. How do I join? Just go into the main screen, and then I think, what do you click, Greeny? Join party or something?
Yeah, just post the chat, the code, and then it'll be
AU67930, and then go join party or something like that. Relay 100% paid same.
So Jassim he played 581 games. He put in 18.5 ETH and got 19. 0.058. So he got 0.46 ETH, but he put like it's just volume. It's still the same process. It's just more volume and more money, right? It's no strategy, no specific strategy. All right, let's play.
All right, let's go. Oh, Wick's in there, Razuka's in there. All right, let's get started, guys. Bit of moody madness.
Yeah, good way to end the stream today, I reckon.
Yeah, bit of excitement for your day. Well, for my day as well. Oh, the Mog track. All right, here we go. I need to turn this volume down.
Is it too loud, chat? Hold on.
Oh, my head. Get out, Greeny, you dirty dog.
Hold on. Oh, I didn't have it connected, boys.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Wait, how do you boost again? I forget.
Same.
Oh my, wait, why am I going backwards here? Oh my God, chat. Oh my God. I wasn't connected. How do I boost?
Shift.
Oh my God.
I fell off the track. No, I'm going to go to last place. I was first.
Oh, bro.
Sake.
Dude, I'm trash, chat. I'm trash.
Yeah, I'm sucking. This sucks.
But I mean, like, I assume, how do you, is it the leaderboard in the, oh, dude, how are you supposed to get that there? Is it, how do they determine XP on this bad boy? Oh my God.
No, I fell again.
Craig, me and you, mate, for the back.
No, I went under the road again. Oh, no, I went up. It's
Dude,
glitched.
what is happening? What is happening? Dude, my game just glitched so much there.
Jesus. Oh, Greeny, you're behind.
Dude, they've changed this map. They've added way more stuff to this.
This is ridiculous.
Oh, my God.
Oh, you dirty dogs knocked me down.
Dude, there's no way I stayed on there.
Fuck. I'm getting my ass kicked. I'm normally good on this track too. Oh, well.
That's why I chose it, mate.
Yeah. Oh, well. Can't win them all, eh? Have you got to the end, Greeny?
Nah, mate. Nah, not yet.
Neither.
Oh, I overtook Razuka right at the end. Oh, wait, did I finish? Apparently I finished. I just came for the sexy accents. Appreciate you.
Here we go. Craigie boy fifth. Fuck. Nixon first. Congratulations, Nixon. You kicked, mate. I raced so bad there.
It's pretty loud. Hold on. Nice.
And I won nothing.
I got nothing. So is there a battle pass or something?
For this game?
Yeah. I thought there was.
Yeah, season 2. You bought it though, just the other day.
But where do you tick it off? Oh, here, over on the right. Oh, I see.
Yeah, and you. I need to go in there.
How do you go up levels? How do you go up? Do you have to? Because I got more than 1,000. I know. I'll have to have a play of this later, I reckon. Wait, there's an AI assistant. Does it actually work yet?
No, I don't think so.
It doesn't come. All right, cool. Nice to play a game. Okay. Oh, okay. So you got to keep playing games and you go up the battle pass.
I think so.
Okay. Yeah, because it won't let me get to season 2. I mean, yeah.
Do you want to go one more game, Greeny?
One. Change the track.
Yeah, well, all right, because I got Paddy wants to do one, so I'm like, fuck it, let's do it.
Yeah, so I mean, crypto is looking pretty good. It's a good time to explore abstract personally, get some more XP. Rumors have it there's been a few more things that I've read recently or kind of seen that it looks like they want it to happen sooner rather than later, right? So I think it's not a bad time to definitely check it out.
Here we go. Code sent to you, Greeny.
Thanks, mate.
Get it, lads. Are you in, Greeny?
Nearly. Not yet. I wish I could play games all day, Craig. That'd be so fun. All right, guys. There's a code. Code's in the
Pad
chat.
on chains and pad on chain. All right. Another minute, guys. Jump on in real quick, and then we'll. I'm in from France. Let's go. Talk about Bitcoin, please. You'll have to go back to the start of the show, guys. About 54 minutes ago, I was raging about Bitcoin.
Yeah, we spoke about it ages ago.
But yes, new all-time high. Congratulations to all holders. Everyone's in profit, just about, unless you bought the absolute fucking tippy top. But yeah, great. Bitcoin, Greeny and I think it does go higher, as we've been saying for quite some time. The war didn't end up really meaning shit, and the tariffs didn't either. And we're going higher. So, yeah. We did mention at the start, go back to the start. Greeny ran over 3 scenarios he's looking at for Bitcoin, which I agree with. Those are my 3 as well. So, yeah, go and follow those. And I think what Greeny ran through is fucking great.
All right, let's play. Let's play.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Okay. This time, brother.
Oh shit, this one's hard.
Yeah, I didn't mean to. I actually tried to pick one that didn't look hard, to be honest. I was being a coward. Did I pick the hardest?
Dude, I keep forgetting I'm...
Yes! Craigie boy.
Oh, dude, who the hell is winning, bro? They're goated.
Was it Mitch? Was it Mitch who won that? Who won? Shit, you guys are fucking good. Everyone here is annoying. Everyone's good. Oh no, the bloody platforms that fall. You dirty dogs.
Dude, I'm having a good race so far.
I can tell you've gone quiet.
Me and Mitch at the front.
Fuck.
I just overtook him.
Oh, fell again. I'm at the start, bro.
Oh, let's go for the dub.
I'm having a fuck.
That's a clinical race there, chat.
Fuck this game. Fuck Moody madness.
Craig's not getting XP this week from Moody.
Fuck this game.
Maybe I should stream games, guys. Look how good I am.
Yeah. Nah, this is not my day, man. I definitely shouldn't be getting in the car later either. Because this is...
Dude, watching your screen's like jolty as hell, man. What sensitivity you're on, man? It's like...
Oh, yeah, you guys are all watching me.
Yeah, I got you on. I got you
on. Fuck.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. You're going all the way back to the... Nah, I took you back up. That's good.
Fuck. Just end game.
That's the end right there, mate. That's the end right there.
Go.
Oh, I got sub a minute. Let's go. Look at that. 51. That clinical. I don't think I messed up once there. Let's go.
That embarrassed me in front of my friends, Moody Madness.
Give me all of the fuel. Bro, why did I win nothing? I came first.
Oh, fuck, man.
What happened there? I literally came first.
Never playing this game again, chat.
Why? How do you unlock 2? I don't get it. I don't get the battle pass. I don't get it.
How do you? Yeah, I'm actually interested in that as well, chat. How do you get those next rewards on the battle pass? How does Greeny get to that? How do I get to that?
Do I have to like claim stuff and then it unlocks it?
Hey, finish. Let's go. What's this? You guys ready to check out Off the Grid? Items to sell for 5K.
What's this?
Check out Off the Grid. What's Off the Grid? Is it a crypto game?
It's a crypto game on AVAX, yeah.
Oh, is it? Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I personally won't pay it. I don't have the time to play that. I'd rather go play Xbox or something. I should stream Xbox, but nah, I won't. All right, cool. All right, well, yeah. Oh, it's a custom game. It doesn't count towards only normal race in write down. Oh, that's dumb.
Oh.
That's pretty dumb.
Oh, only normal races count towards that, not parties.
Yeah, that's so dumb.
But parties is what everyone's going to want to do, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. That's the whole point of streaming with other people is for parties. So
I might have to get on the blower to the dev.
Yeah, we might. We've got him in chat. Can I change my PFP? No, I can't change it.
Isn't it? It's on Xbox. OTG is sick.
Oh, is it? Oh, well, maybe I'll have a play. Party don't give us gas. God damn. Oh,
Party
because
don't give
people were
gas.
farming party mode. I see. Bro, surely they know we're legit. Anyways, good show today. Market's hot. Lots of opportunities out there. Make sure if you're tuning in at the end, you go back, rewatch it. We're about to get a daily close. Huge daily close. Popcat up 12%. Harry Potter, Abana, Pana, Shinu, blah, 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 up 12%. Mog up 13%. SPX up 9%. Flog up 9%. Pepe up 8%. Dogecoin up 5%. I'm in a big long on that bad boy. Whiff up 12%. If we look at altcoins, Radium up 8.5. I'm in a long on that. Sui's up 6%. Hyperliquid up 4%, back to $40. XRP up 4%. BTC at 111K. ETH 2.7. I think it's a big week ahead, or big weekend ahead. We're pumping into a weekend. Prefer if we didn't, but hey, we'll just see how it plays out over the coming days.
I am pumped. Congratulations, everyone. That's a new Bitcoin all-time high on stream almost. But happy days, Greeny. Happy days. Hopefully everyone's bags are doing very well. Yeah. And hopefully everyone has been getting in position like Greeny and I have been saying over the last sort of 2 months or more.
Yeah.
And hopefully everyone remembers to scale profit at all-time highs, which I'm tempted to do, but the greed is flowing over me, Greeny. So
I think you need to stay a bit more patient here. Like, you already did execute it at 111, Craig. So it's like, okay, what's your next target? I would say it's
probably about 120, 117, 120, something around there.
Yeah, easy. All right, guys. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for everyone who played the games with us and everything as well. We'll be back tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Go follow us on page on Twitter. I just retweeted it just before, GC Crypto TV. Get that to 500 followers. We're about 330, I think. Let's get it to 500 followers ASAP, Rocky. Craig, have a lovely Thursday, mate, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks, everyone. Big love. See you tomorrow.
See you guys. Bye.